When you work behind a monitor all day and you have to read and write big reports or documents and that kind of stuff, it can put a real strain on your eyes, especially when it's like white on white and black letters. That's not healthy. Since Microsoft Word 2019, you can change the look and feel. So you can actually make it look like this, or the white one that we had, the colorful one that looks a bit like the old version of Word, and you can use the dark version. So how do you set that up? Well, you go to Word, and we already were there. So you go to File, Account, and over here you see the Office background. When you go through this, you just hover over it. On the top right hand corner you can see all these shapes, and you can pick one that you like. Well, I like calligraphy, so that's the one for me. The Office theme that I picked was white, and then you get this one. White on white on white. There's another version, and you can pick colorful, and that looks a bit like the old Microsoft Word from back in the day. Blue title bar, gray background, white, but it's still a lot of light that you're looking into. And there's another one, gray. That looks better, but still, we can improve that. Then we have the black one, and that looks a lot better. We now have white letters on a black background. Everything is dark, and that puts a lot less strain on your eyes. But if you want to switch it back to black with a white paper and black letters, you go to View, and over here you see Switch Modes, and I just did, and I do it again, and now it looks white letters on a black background. But don't worry, when you would print this out or save it, it will still look like this, a white paper with black letters. So don't worry about it. It's just for the way you look at, well, view the document. This switching mode is only available in the black, let me show you, only in the black Office theme. There's another thing you should know. When you go to Microsoft Outlook, your Outlook will look like this, same as your Word does. So that's a thing that is useful for, well, you know, reading emails, which are basically documents. So that's what I want to show you. I do have one question. If you want me to write this out in a how-to document, please let me know, because that's extra work, and if nobody wants it, then I won't bother. So let me know. Please like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and I'll start work on another Word document video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.